Hey guys, I'm back today with another video, and today we're going to be looking at some weight loss snacks and things that I've been incorporating into my weekly routine since I've started this weight loss journey. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so for this first snack, let's talk breakfast. We have a Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt, 80 calories for this one. This has been my go-to every day for breakfast. I love this as just my meal or as a snack during the day to get my protein in, but also stay under calories while feeling full. And this doesn't give you that heavy Greek yogurt taste that some other ones can give. So if you're looking for yogurt that tastes good, this is my favorite that I have found. And I've tried a lot of them. So this is definitely one that I have definitely converted to, I would say. And on top of that, we'll go with a little bit of this PB Fit. And I mentioned this in another video. It is this organic version of PB Fit peanut butter powder. And this has 7 grams of protein, and it's just really good. You can actually make your own peanut butter with it as well. So here on the back, it talks about adding 2 tablespoons of the PB Fit with 1.5 tablespoons of water. I usually do 2 tablespoons because I like it a little more runny. And what I'll do with this that I've really liked is I will heat it up. So when this has been mixed with water, it's a little more thin, and you can put it on fruit, you can put it on cottage cheese, you can put it in your yogurt and mix it up. But if you don't have time for that, you can always just put a scoop of this. I just do like a tablespoon because 2 tablespoons is only 60 calories right here. And so I just do 1 tablespoon just to keep my calories low for the day, because that's what I do, is track my calories in an app, and it helps me to stay on track. And then I log my weight every day in an app as well. And this is what I dump the protein powder into, and I mix it up, which I did show in another video. So you'll have to check that out. Comment below if you need me to reference which video it's in, and I'd be happy to do so. And then on to the next snack. All right, so we were talking about Greek yogurt. This next snack is my favorite to add to my yogurt as a snack or breakfast or just with milk. These are Panda Puffs. They're peanut butter organic cereal is what I like to think of it as. But this is so healthy, you guys. So for 1 cup of cereal, it's only 170 calories. And I believe there are 9 grams of sugar total in that. So even if you didn't want like a whole cup of this, you could do half a cup. So it's really nice. There's no high fructose corn syrup, and there is no artificial flavor, color, preservative in there. So this is safe if you have kids or anyone in your house that's sensitive to anything like that or allergic to anything. This is a great thing to use. And I just think the Panda is so cute. It makes it kind of fun. And if you miss eating cereal on a diet or your weight loss journey, whatever you want to call it, this is amazing as a substitute. So I do recommend this. You can get it at Target. I believe you can get it online. So if you don't live near a store, if you live somewhere else international, I'm sure you could get it online. I got mine at Target, and I believe they also have it at Walmart as well, and probably Amazon, which is great because Amazon, we all know, gets there super fast. On to the next snack. All right, my next favorite snack is Nutrisystem. These little cupcake brownie muffins is what I like to refer to them as, because while it is called a muffin, it does taste like you're literally eating a cupcake brownie for breakfast. I literally just heat this up for like 20 seconds in the microwave or less, depending on what power your microwave is set at. Mine cooks things pretty fast, so if you want it kind of ooey gooey melty, it's really good. And you can eat it non-heated. You can just eat it as is. You can also add like butter to it or eat it like a little jam sandwich even, or with Nutella, peanut butter. But the way I got these is on Amazon. I don't have a subscription to Nutrisystem. It's not sponsored. And then this is only 180 calories. But as far as fiber goes, there is 10 grams of fiber in this. And then there is 7 grams of protein. So these are awesome. Sometimes this is all I eat for breakfast as well. So if you're looking for this, you can find them on Amazon. You get 16 of them for $34.99. This next snack is my favorite. So these are from Walmart. These are the Quest Frosted Cookies. As you can see, they literally look like cake, and they taste like cake. They are so good. So if you miss eating cake and brownies on your weight loss journey, this is amazing. I found these actually at Maverick, a gas station here where I live, and they were super expensive. So I Googled to see if they had these at the store, and I was able to get a whole box of them rather than just 2 cookies. So this whole thing has 8 cookies in there, and they're 90 calories for 1 cookie. So I have noticed in a serving of like the single packages, they do put 2 cookies in them. So you'd probably get away with 2 instead of just 1. But I do eat 1 throughout the day just to keep myself full, because with protein, there's 5 grams of protein in there. And then I believe there are 3 grams of fiber. But yeah, these are really good. They come in chocolate and birthday cake flavor. Really good. Walmart is the cheapest that I found. They only have 1 gram of the added sugar. And then this is about the size of it. So when you open it, they come pre-packaged. So if you don't have room in your kitchen to store a big bulky box or in your pantry, I just stick these in a little jar in my cupboard back here. And that's how I keep them out of the way. And they're just my little snacks. And everyone in the house knows this is my snack. Here's my little container. So if you're worried about like your kids stealing your snacks, that's a great way that I just keep mine in my own little container rather than having this out in the open. So in case somebody thinks it looks like a donut or something. But yeah, these are great for people that are trying to maintain weight or lose weight, or even if you're not trying to lose weight and you just want a treat. My husband also loves these. So again, this is my favorite, I would say. All right, we also have another Quest favorite. These are their chips. They're protein chips, and they're tortilla style chili lime. These are delicious, you guys. These are only 140 calories for the whole bag. And we all know they stick extra air in there. So the chips probably come to about here, I would say, maybe this much in a bag. And then the rest is air. But for this much, I would say that's pretty good and really filling. And there is 20 grams of protein in here. So if you want to stay full, and this might be your only snack that you really need for the day. So if you want it with dinner, like if you're having enchiladas or some low carb breakfast or something, or if you just want it for work, this is great to take in a lunchbox to work, or just eating at home, whatever you want to do. Another thing that would be good is you could make nachos with these, and you could have like protein nachos with some turkey, ground beef, chicken. They'd be great. So I love those. These are also at Walmart, super cheap. I want to say they were less than $5 for this little bag. I believe I got them on sale for about $2.99 at the time. So if you're lucky, you could get a big box of them, but I just got the individual ones just to try them out. And then another flavor of these is this other tortilla style, and these are the loaded taco flavor. These, I believe, are actually 1 less gram of protein, so 19 in those, but same calories. So these have 19 grams of protein, these have 20. So that's the difference there. And those are a wonderful addition to your snack game. I am a seafood lover, so I did find these at Costco originally, and they are amazing. These are the salmon stackers. They come with some like rice type crackers and then some dip, as well as this salmon right here. And it's so good. You can see it's honey smoked is the brand. And then on this, in case you're wondering, it only has 1 gram of sugar, has 270 calories, and then it has 13 grams of protein. So, and it does say that on the front as well. I didn't see that, but this is amazing. Even if you just had this for a meal, I would say this is for sure satisfying, like a adult Lunchable. But even your kid could eat this if they like seafood. Anyone in the family can really have this, even if you're not on a weight loss journey. This is great. So again, Costco, they come in like a pack of 3 or 4, and it was only $9.99 for that, which is super good for salmon. Very high quality. I really like it. I will keep buying these for sure. And the calories is 270. So again, this could qualify as a meal or a snack, depending on what your weight goals are. Okay, so another snack that I feel like is important to mention is a gluten-free cracker. So these are really good for people with sensitive tummies, or if you're just trying to be healthy. These are gluten-free Good Thins, and they're the sea salt. They're made with corn. So when you look at the package, if you're not looking closely, you would probably think it's just a normal cracker, but they are made with corn, so they are kind of good. They taste like tortilla chips. I like these with a dip. I don't like them plain by themselves. My husband can eat the whole box of them just with no dip, but I do like a little chip dip to go with mine. Or you could do avocado. That's really heart healthy as well. Yeah, these are really good. You could use it as a tapa with meat on it as like an appetizer party, or if you're having friends over, or you can just eat it as a snack whatever you want to do. But yeah, these are only 120 for 38 crackers. So that's pretty good, 120 calories. It does have a little iron and potassium in it, which is wonderful, added nutrition. And then it has fiber and it only has 2 grams of protein, but these are gluten-free and they're very low-cal, healthy, really tasty snacks. So this is a good one if you're looking for something easy and quick. Right, another important snack that I wanted to mention are these Bear Bells. These are chocolate protein bars. These are amazing. They taste like candy bars. So if you miss candy bars on your weight loss journey, this is really good. There's 20 grams of protein in here in each bar and no added sugar. There's 200 calories in a bar, so you could eat that for a meal or a snack. But if you're eating it as a snack, I highly recommend doing a workout so that you're not eating too much protein without building the muscle or burning off those extra calories. So as long as you're staying in your calorie deficit, at least the way I'm doing it, this is what I would eat for like a meal, like in the morning or after a workout, or as an on-the-go thing. So if you're at like an amusement park, this could be a meal even. Or if you just don't have time to like make food, this is great, especially for busy people. This is great at work as well, at like a desk, or just even if you want to split it with somebody, you each get 10 grams of protein. So that's always an option. You could split it with someone in your family or a friend. Okay, so I know this is old school, but I do love Jell-O. This is a lemon lime Jell-O, and it has 0 sugar. This is just really good if I'm getting a sugar craving. It's so yummy. I love the lime flavor. So this keeps me like in check if I'm craving like Jolly Ranchers or candy or something that's like sweet like that, tangy. This is my go-to. And you can also make like a healthy dessert with it. I know there's tons of keto options out there where some people make Jell-O desserts. I personally just eat it by itself. I think it's great just right out of the cup. And this only has 10 calories and 0 sugar. So this is a great one. Super cheap. You can usually find this at Walmart or any local grocery store. Okay, next I have some drinks that are my favorite snack drinks. So I no longer drink soda just because I'm trying to be healthy, and I found some good alternatives. So I'm going to talk about some alternatives that I drink instead of soda or my other sugary drinks that I used to go to. So this is my new favorite. It's the Prime Hydration drink. You guys have probably seen these. These particular ones I found at a Kroger store. This literally tastes like a blue raspberry ice cream or popsicle or candy. It is so good. There's only 25 calories in there, and I believe it has 2 grams of sugar and only 30 grams of sodium. So it's almost like the Liquid IV. I would compare it to a Liquid IV, but it tastes a little better than the Liquid IV. And again, it's Prime Hydration. This next flavor is found at Costco. This is my favorite, Red Ice Pop. It tastes like a summer popsicle. We all know those Rocket Pops. That's what this tastes like. Only 20 calories in that. These are delicious. And you can get them in a huge package of a multi-pack flavor package at Costco. This is one that comes in the package as well. This is the strawberry watermelon. So good. I love watermelon. It's my favorite. And I know everyone loves strawberry as well. So put the two together and you have an amazing drink right here. And I used to get the pink drink at Starbucks almost every day. This is now my substitute for that. This is definitely healthier. I haven't felt any effects. There's no caffeine in this. Nothing that makes you giddy or anything or feel like anxiousness or nervousness. There's no side effects with this. So it really is great to have something finally that tastes good, keeps you hydrated, all the things, right? Another one I wanted to mention, so last week I made some brownies for my family. I love to bake, and I did find a good alternative to just baking the normal brownies was making keto brownies. So I did find a really good one called the Birch Benders right here from Walmart, and it is seriously so good. These are keto brownies, ultimate fudge. They have, there's 14 servings in a pouch, and then as prepared, your serving of your brownie is only 110 in the mix. And I believe they have other things on here. So they have paleo pancakes, keto pancakes, and then they also have these cookies and the individual cups. So if you're looking for something different than this, this brand does offer other options as well. If you don't want this particular thing, they do have so many good recipes. So again, this is great. Birch Benders, keto, ultimate fudge brownies. Love them. All right, another one that I picked up at Walmart is Be Happy Snacks cotton candy flavored popcorn, 58 calories per cup. What I love about this is it is started by a family. I don't know how to say that, but that's the family that I believe owns this. And I love what it says, welcome to, and then it says it's crafted by the D'Amelio family and their passion for joy and community. Their snacks are designed to delight. Each unique flavor is a tribute to food lovers everywhere. Their mission is to transform everyday snacking into a full flavor experience that's simple and exciting. With clean, pronounceable ingredients, we're all about the joy of discovery and the pleasure of sharing moments. So this is awesome, you guys. I love it. If you love cotton candy, but you know you're trying to lose weight, this is a great alternative. So nice to have people out there that care about the clean ingredients and keeping people healthy. So thank you to the creators of this popcorn. Delicious. The last two things I wanted to mention are my new favorite protein cereal. It tastes like Lucky Charms. So good. It's called Go Marshmallows. It's a protein cereal. There's 17 grams of protein in there. And it does come with the maize on the back. So if you're like a kid at heart like me, and you're sitting there eating your cereal, you have something to do, like the good old days. My husband loves this as well. There's only 170 calories in there. And then if you have skim milk, it's 240. I use Fairlife, so that's like my favorite go-to milk. Or you could use coconut milk, whatever milk you like. Or if you don't want any milk, you could just eat the cereal, and I'm sure it would taste great, just munching on it in like a little plastic baggie as a snack or your breakfast. But yeah, I'm excited to try making some stuff with this as well. I'm probably gonna get some healthy marshmallows and do this with like a protein Rice Krispie treat. So I'll have to do a video of that. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see something made with this, some sort of dessert or keto food. This is also another cereal that I add to my yogurt. 10 grams of protein in 3/4 cup, 200 calories. I usually use 1/4 in mine for my yogurt, and it tastes just like cocoa cereal. It's so good. My husband has eaten this as well. It's almost gone, so I need to go back and get some more of this at the store. And if you're wondering, this has 10 grams of protein and I believe 9 grams of fiber and 5 grams of soluble fiber. So it is great. Costco, Walmart, highly recommend. This I actually got at a Kroger grocery store. I'm not sure if they have it at Walmart, but I'm sure that Target, Amazon, maybe Walmart does have this. But it was a little pricey for cereal, but totally worth it. This was the second to last box left on the shelf. That's how good this is. So definitely recommend the Ghost Protein Marshmallow Cereal if you're into that. But without further ado, I just wanted to sign off here and say thanks to those who have followed along on the other videos and recipes. And I'll be coming out with some more recipes soon. This month we're just getting ready for an anniversary party for my parents. It's their 50th anniversary. So I've been busy doing some DIYs and some crafts for that. And I'll have to do a video of one of those crafts that I did. So haven't had as much time to do the recipes, but I've had more time to record DIYs and stuff like that. We do have a vacation coming up as well. And stay tuned for a vlog from that. It is exciting. We're going to a country we've never been to before, and it's going to be tropical, so we're excited about that. And yeah, so stay tuned. Follow along with the Disney Duo for more videos, and we're always happy to have you. Thanks for following along my weight loss journey. I hope this helps motivate or challenge you to try some new things out of your comfort zone and to make you feel happy, successful, and fulfilled on your current weight loss journey. Just know that you're never alone and never give up. All right, thanks guys. See ya.